Good evening, everyone. I'm Dilan Veersuri. This is my first conference presentation. Thank you for having me. I'm going to show you use of cyber physical systems for the key roles of quantity surveillance. You may or may not have heard about term cyber physical systems, but think about autonomous car which is functioning without a driver. The car needs some physical information such as the speed of surrounding vehicles, the car getting these details through the cyber network. So this is the basic idea behind cyber physical systems. Cyber physical systems is defined as dynamic systems that can effectively integrate cyber and physical component using the modern technology. When come to this study, I have found information communication technology had evolved the roles of content surveyors with measurement applications, cost management systems, e-tendering, project management, and as you all know, building information modeling. Also, I have found that information communication technology have encouraged the construction industry to explore the application of cyber physical systems. Therefore, potential use of cyber physical systems for key roles performed by content surveyors has not been explored, as well as use existing cyber physical system related technologies for quantity surveyors have not been explored. Therefore, the research problem was selected. How can existing and proposed cyber-physical systems facilitate key roles performed by quantity surveyors? This is the aim and objectives of study. And moving to the literature findings on the cyber-physical systems, I have found 22 cyber-physical system-related applications, which some of them listed down here, and current use of cyber-physical systems in construction industry. They are using these cyber-physical systems to build in efficiency monitoring, construction progress monitoring, material tracking, automated manufacturing, construction progress monitoring, planning and operation of construction, progress tracking, and geometric representations of building. Moving to the quantity surveyors roles, I have found that quantity surveyors roles has diversified and currently involved with insurance, financial, manufacturing, and other industries. Therefore, 30 roles of quantity surveyors were identified from literature. And when it comes to these cyber-physical systems used in construction industry, recently researchers were categorized these cyber-physical systems under 4 stages: planning, design, construction, and operation and maintenance. And these currently used in applications are more focused on overcome the shortcoming of manual process during planning and progress monitoring, where BIM-based application has been used to implement cyber-physical systems to improve progress monitoring and control the construction process. In this study, semi-structured interviews were conducted under qualitative approach to collect data based on respondents' knowledge and explore different application of cyber systems. Since this is an kind of exploring study, I need to go with examine and why and how questions. Therefore, I selected qualitative approach to this study, and heterogeneous samples of 18 interviews from both industry and academia were selected with countries all over the world. And since this collected amount of collected data is huge, I had to select manual content for this study. This is the list of respondents. You can see they are from various countries: England, UAE, New Zealand, Australia, Sri Lanka, Hong Kong, USA. When moving to the research findings on key roles of quantity surveyors, as I told, I have found 30 diversified roles of quantity surveyors from literature. Even though there is 30 roles of quantity surveyors, respondents' opinion was these new roles are associated with traditional roles of quantity surveying, where we can get example of a content surveyor who is involved in insurance. He need to do valuation, then again he need to quantify. Therefore, these new diversified roles are also associated with traditional roles of content surveyors. Therefore, interviewers ignored the diversified roles and identified as key roles only 9 out of 30 roles identified from literature. These are preliminary estimation, measurement and quantification, contract administration, preparation of BOQs, interior evaluation and payments, tender and contract documentation, cost planning, cost control, procurement advice. As I told you, I found 22 cyber-physical systems, applications, and technologies from literature, but internet, email, 5G, portable device, and video and audio communication were disregarded as they were considered common applications. And Internet of Things also was removed because it was considered as collective term used for all internet-based services. Further, 3D printing, GIS, photogrammetry, exoskeleton robotics, and autonomous vehicle also were removed as they were not directly related to the key roles of content service. And interviewers suggested estimating software, taking off software, project planning software, contract administration software, and 3D model taking off as proposed physical systems to facilitate key roles of quantity surveys. This is the finding figure of existing and proposed physical systems. You can see existing physical systems applications more focused on to convert manual process to autonomous process, where the proposed physical system application more focused on automate, data collect, and data represent. This is the research findings on current use of cyber-physical systems, existing cyber-physical systems applications, facilitate the estimation, quantification, preparation of BOQs, and interior evaluation roles, which were known for time consumption and being error-prone. And majority of the interviewers observed that BIM implementation has laid the foundation for digitalizing of many aspects, and automation of simple and repetitive activities has significant advantages of cyber-physical system. Existing cyber-physical systems substantially contribute to the digitalization of procurement, arrangement, and contract administration by enabling efficient information sharing. And compared to other aspects, only few existing cyber-physical system applications support cost planning and cost controlling. Inability of most existing cyber-physical system applications to update cost information in real time was identified as a barrier to facilitate cost planning and controlling. And when it comes to proposed use of cyber-physical systems, implementation of these systems would automate site monitoring, enabling content surveyors to update the project progress and cost plan to suit the situation. Then compared to existing cyber-physical systems which support quantification of design, the proposed cyber-physical system focused measuring real-time construction progress by capturing site progress. And as you know, AR and VR could be used to assist visualization of project while improving the accuracy of estimators. And artificial intelligence will make better decision for content surveys with regard to cost planning, cost controlling, and interior evaluation. And also, blockchain being incorruptible would prevent security risks associated with contract administration and produce definitive digital contracts. And it was argued that human input would still be required to take decision on intricate. This is the conclusion of the studies. Cyber-physical systems allow data captured from the physical components to be transferred to a digital environment to produce information that will be used in return to improve physical components. And majority of existing cyber-physical applications support estimation, quantification, preparation of BOQs, and interior evaluation related tasks by minimizing human wonders and time consumption. And The proposed cyber-physical system applications are more focused on, as I told before, efficiency capturing data from physical components, whereas existing cyber-physical systems focused on processing for identity. And technologies such as AR, VR, AI could significantly contribute to the visualization of captured data, assist content surveys to decision-making process. The use of blockchain and BIM could help implement new procurement approaches. These are the further studies. Identify strategies to provide existing cyber-physical systems application with other roles that were not supported, and identification of barriers that hinder the implementation of proposed cyber-physical systems, and strategies to mitigate barriers. And this study limit only to content surveyors who directly participated in construction industry. So this is the end of presentation. Again, thank you for having.